Ever wanted to learn programming but felt confused by all the advice online? Maybe you have heard things like you need to be a math genius, you must learn multiple languages first, or even programming is only for super smart people. The problem is many beginners quit before they even start because they believe these myths. So today I am going to clear up to 10 programming myths that beginners still believe. Let's get started. Myth number 1, you need to be good at math. This is probably the biggest myth of all. A lot of people think programming is basically advanced mathematics, but honestly, most developers don't spend their day solving calculus equations. Programming is mainly about solving problems and thinking logically. Can math help in certain fields like game development, AI, or data science? Of course, but for web development, mobile apps, automation, and many other areas, basic math is usually enough. So if you are avoiding programming because you are not a math genius, don't worry, you can absolutely become a developer. Myth number 2, you must learn multiple languages first. Many beginners think, should I learn Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and Rust before applying for jobs? No, that's like trying to learn 5 musical instruments at the same time. Pick one language, learn it properly, build projects, understand programming fundamentals. Once you know one language well, learning a second one becomes much easier. Focus beats variety. Myth number 3, programmers memorize everything. Let me tell you a secret. Even experienced developers Google things every day. Nobody remembers every function, syntax, or framework command. The real skill isn't memorization. The real skill is knowing how to find information and solve problems. So don't feel bad if you are constantly searching online. That's literally part of the job. Myth number 4, you need an expensive computer. You have probably seen developers with fancy setups and multiple monitors. Looks cool, right? But many successful programmers started with basic laptops. For learning programming, you don't need the latest high-end machines. As long as your computer can run a code editor and a browser, you are good to go. Don't wait for the perfect setup, start with what you have. Myth number 5, programming is only for smart people. This myth scares away so many people. Programming isn't about being naturally gifted, it's about consistency. The developers you admire today were beginners once too. They made mistakes, they got errors, they felt confused. The difference is they kept going. Success in programming comes from persistence then intelligence. Myth number 6, you must know everything before building projects. Many beginners spend months watching tutorials but never build anything. Projects are where real learning happens. You don't need to know everything before starting. In fact, you learn faster by building something and figuring things out along the way. Start messy, improve later. Myth number 7, one programming language is the best. Every few months you will see people arguing online. Python is the best, no JavaScript is the future, no Rust is superior. The reality, every language has strengths and weaknesses. A hammer isn't better than a screwdriver. They are just tools for different jobs. Instead of chasing the best language, choose the language that fits your goals. Myth number 8, if you see errors, you are bad at programming. Let me be honest, errors never disappear. Even senior developers deal with bugs every day. Seeing an error doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are coding. Think of error as a clues, not obstacles. Every bug teaches you something new. Myth number 9, you need a computer science degree. A degree can be valuable, but it's not the only path. Today, many developers are self-taught. Others learned through online courses, boot camps, documentation, and personal projects. Employers often care more about what you can build than where you learned it. Your skills matter, your projects matter, your problem solving ability matters. Myth number 10, it's too late to start programming. Maybe you are 18, maybe you are 25, maybe you are 35, maybe even older, and you are thinking I should have started years ago. But here is the thing, the best time to start was years ago, the second best time is today. The tech industry keeps evolving, new opportunities appear every year, people switch careers into programming all the time, so don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle, just start. So those were 10 programming myths that beginners still believe. Remember, you don't need to be a math genius, you don't need need an expensive computer, you don't need to memorize everything, and you definitely don't need to be perfect before you start. The most important step is simply beginning and staying consistent. If you found this helpful, let me know which myth you believed before watching this video. And if you are on your programming journey, keep learning, keep building, and keep exploring. I'll see you in the next one.